Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jose for those who don't know, and in today's video we have another blue look. This time we are incorporating gold, a green gold more specifically, and unfortunately. You'll find out more in the video. But before we jump into it, if you have not yet followed me on Instagram, on Twitch, TikTok, Twitter, please, you could find me there at JDV unofficial. Thank y'all so much. Now, let us hop into this video. All right, everyone. So we are going to begin with positive self-affirmations and to pin our hair back, all right? Next, I am applying my favorite eye primer. This is the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow and Liner Primer. And I'm applying that all over the eye and blending it out with a Morphe fluffy brush. Next for the eyeshadow, we are taking the first crease shade, the deepest part of our eyeshadow, from the Juvia's Place palette. This is, I won't try this name. This shade right here, the only matte shade there is. So first, what we're going to do is concentrate at the top of the look and then work our way down to the bottom. So first I'm creating that nice guideline where I want the cut to happen. Because I want the eyeshadow to split in half. So when I'm packing on, half of it's gonna go. There. And now we're just gonna blend this shit out. We're just gonna blend this shit out. With what shade? With what? This palette right here. The Morphe and James Charles palette, Artistry palette. This beautifully saturated teal shade from the Artistry palette proved to be a great transition shade. Honestly. I mean, there's no complaints on it. Also, we are using excess product to bring out that wing. Gorgeous. Yes, I said gorgeous. But now we're taking the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette and applying the Blue Blood shade. So now, just pack the shit right here. And with this baby blue colored shade, I am now going over everything to ensure a seamless transition of colors and a flawless blend. And now, with our finger or a flat and curved surface, we are wiping away our excess shadows. There we go. There we go. Hold on, let me just, right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and reapply our primer to the rest of the eyelid. Okay, yeah. Even acknowledging my hooded eyes, I am applying the eyeshadow solely on the eyelid, even if it is covered, because I'm going to go over that specific area with a yellow eyeliner. Well, the intention is yellow. I know it looks blank. Please do not fret. My apologies on the cuckoo clock. And please do not forget to wing out that wing, bitch. Now, for the liner, we are taking Suva Beauty's Hydro Matte Eyeliners. These are beautiful, but you have to wet the brush first, and unfortunately, my brush was dirty with blue liner prior, and it got a little mixed up with the yellow, so this eye looks a little bit more green, but hopefully the second batch would be yellow. All right, small, easy strokes now. Ooh, man, I cannot breathe. Excuse me. So for me to be satisfied with the opacity of the liner, I needed a couple of layers. So please dry each layer as you go. And from the Morphe and Disney's Mickey and Mouse Friends Truth Be Bold palette, I think. So we are taking the shade Extra Sparkle and applying this shimmer shade to the blank areas of our eye and all over the liner we just applied. want you to, huh? Do I need to get closer for you? Okay, up close and personal. How you doing? You doing good? Okay, let us have an appreciative moment for these shimmer shades in this palette because I'm gagging at each and every one of them. No joke. They're giving life. They're giving. I think I got it. I think it's a little off shapely, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna proceed forward. I'm going to go ahead and do my base off camera, and I'll be back for the lips, lashes, and all that good nonsense. Yeah, I know it may not look like it. I know it may not look like it, but I do have lashes on. I do have lashes on. I am about to apply some mascara to help with that. And with our beloved and our most trusted and very ancient mascaras, this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. And again, it's one of my favorites. I'd probably get some 301s. Alright, but anyway, we are moving on to the lips. Super Stay Ink Crayon in the shade Sharpener. Oh, that's so cool. To outline the lips, we are using Maybelline's Super Stay Ink Crayon. I think we got it. So now I'm using this Maybelline lipstick as well. I don't know exactly what line it is, but I know the brand. And both of these formulas are very transferable. All right, everybody, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by liking the video or commenting down below. And if you found yourself infatuated with moi, feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, with that being said, I hope you all have a good one, and I cannot wait until next time. Bye!